Through the Ramp Up program, we build the capacity of entrepreneurial leaders in both our students and our local micro enterprises. Through Ramp Up, highly qualified students support business clients for at least a year with wraparound services that include preparation of financial statements, conducting forensic accounting, marketing strategy and implementation, website creation, loan applications, access to municipal grants, operational development, project management, referrals to service providers, and connections to leaders on our campus and beyond.
So I worked with a variety of businesses in the Central District, and so I worked with them to help with marketing needs that they had, including a lot of PR work. So we did press releases and organized their online platforms and created social media accounts and created posts for them. Definitely the project management skills that we learned. Taking on a big project like helping them with all of their marketing needs was a lot of work, and it had to be organized and done on a timely manner, as well as just general marketing strategies that you learn throughout school were easily applied to this project.
I've worked with 3 businesses. One is a barber shop, one is an adult family home, and the other is a daycare center. The needs are pretty much identical, which is to get their financial statements organized in a way that's presentable to financial institutions. During my time, we've seen businesses start to keep the books better. We've had the daycare set up for expansion. We've seen them look at themselves as businesses that can grow and become more successful than they are, and we're helping them to do that.
The experience working here at Ramp over the last year has been absolutely amazing and incredible, especially kind of learning about what's going on in the city. For me, getting an exposure of what kind of skills that I should acquire in the future and kind of moving forward, what I want to learn how to do. Ramp has given me the opportunity to learn what the needs of the community are, and it's something that I don't know where else I would have gotten that exposure and the kind of connections and I'd say friendships that I've kind of developed through working here has just been absolutely amazing.